In today's video, you'll learn how to make a homemade tea and cough syrup to boost immunity. I always recommend this recipe to friends and family members who have coughs, and also to boost immunity. You'll need bay leaves and ginger for this syrup. Bay leaf is widely used in anti-inflammatory drugs, and also to fight inflammation in the body. Amazing, isn't it? To make this syrup, we need 3 bay leaves. Chop the bay leaves into small pieces. You can also use fresh bay leaves. Put them in a pot and add 250 milliliters of water. You can heat it just like that, but usually I enrich this syrup with ginger, because we all know how good ginger is for the immune system. If you want, add 5 centimeters of peeled and diced ginger root. When the water boils, reduce the heat to minimum and let boil for another 4 to 5 minutes. After this time, turn off the heat and strain the tea. If desired, add a teaspoon of honey and stir it. Then add the juice of half a lemon. The lemon contains vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system and is therefore a good ally in the fight against colds and flu. The tea is very tasty, and you can drink 3 cups a day. It's also good if you suffer from insomnia. To make the syrup with bay leaves, you need 8 bay leaves. Bring 250 milliliters of water to a boil. When it boils, add the whole bay leaves. Reduce the heat to low, cover and let the tea simmer for 5 to 6 minutes. After this time, strain the tea and add 6 tablespoons of honey and stir well so that all the honey dissolves in the tea. Then add the juice of 1 lemon, stir well, and pour it into a jar or glass jug. The syrup can be combined with drops of propolis, as this has antiseptic properties. You can take 2 to 3 tablespoons of this homemade syrup. It's recommended to take the syrup before meals and on an empty stomach. It can be stored for several days. I hope this syrup helps improve your health. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.